key for another public storage. We do 7 of these locks. So we're gonna get to work. Take this back, press in the back piece, spin the back, pop off, take that in the spring out, put our key in, turn it sideways. Be careful not to pull it out because you don't want to lose the springs or pins. Alright, the Bible. Make sure it has an even surface because the springs up in here, you don't want them to come out. Go straight in, just like so. Dump those pins. I'm going to pin it up to this one, which this one has numbers on it. 42523. So 4 Schleg is a 225, 225. 4252. 2 is a 195, 240. So 195. We need 2 of these because this is 2. And then we need a 255, which is this one. And then our last one is a 3 cut. 3 cut is a 210. And the 210 is right there. Now we check it, and everything's good except for this one. This one's a little bit high for some reason, which was a 255. Okay, maybe I looked at it wrong. Oh, I did. 5 cut is a 240, not a 255. So it's this one. It's the yellow. There we go. Now it's even. Turn our cylinder sideways. Make sure it's not in line with the Bible because we don't want the pins in here to fall down in there like in that hole, and then we're just screwed. Okay, so we're going to angle it sideways, push it through, put our finger on the face, pull the key out, turn smooth, finger on the face, pull it out, spring in the back again. This goes back in there again. And this spins on there. Alright, we got it on. Let's spin it tight and then spin it back 1 space. It's a little bit too tight. And it kind of grabs the key, so I'm going to spin it back 1 more space. Yeah, now it turns smooth and it pulls out easy. Yep. Okay. Turns smooth, pulls out easy. Second one. Pull this one out. Okay. Put the old key in, turn it sideways. Put the follower in line with the Bible, push it through. 4252. 4 is 225. 195. 225. 195. We need 2 of these. Which is this. And this. And 240. There's this. And the last one was, last one was a 3, which is 210, which is this one right here. They all look flush. Sideways in the Bible, pinch it out. Cool. Put the spring in this first. This goes through here. Like so. Gosh, dang it. Alright, so we push this on, spin it on all the way. We're going to back it off. We backed it off too, since we backed that one off too. Turn is fine, pulls out fine. Goes back in here. Now we got 3 done. Alright. Let's reinstall this on here. Turn that lock down, push it in. Hey, she works. So it's always locked. Insert, turn down, unlocks the latch. Now you can pull the door and get in. Alright, looks good to me.